Hi, welcome back at the Not Just Sawdust workshop. Second video on using all the parts of the chandelier. You saw me making the table lamp in the first video. I will put a link up there in the left corner. And now I'm going to try to use these arms. And I came up with the idea of making a little storage table thing out of it. So got the base. I don't know whether I will put something on the base or just sand it and leave it like that. And then we have these two other things on there with a lid, and then somehow I need to figure out a way to open them. But yeah, these look nice as little legs, so let's experiment a bit more. Well, all the parts are ready, I think. I cannot sand anything because then I'll sand off the patina, whatever you call that in English. So it's gotta stay old. I'm just gonna wax everything, put a good layer of wax on it, and then put it together. But the sun is shining, it's really nice weather, and I think I'll take the dog for a walk and finish this tomorrow. So see you soon. Just takes a few seconds in this video. So, and that's how some chandelier parts become a little crazy storage cabinet. There's a lid on the top and you can open them by swiveling them. So yeah, old brass parts 3 old little boxes that came from a friend who had like old nails and screws in that. They're all different from color because the number 2 is probably made later, I don't know, but yeah, it looks quirky, it looks nice. Got a little shelf on the feet so you can even put something on there, so it's just a crazy little storage unit. And there's still a lot of stuff left from the chandelier, like this, and these parts, and I even got these 5 candle, how do you call them, sockets for bulbs. So another 2 or 3 projects from that one chandelier. We'll see what we come up with. See you in the next video at the logo.